very well if you haven't seen me before. Hello, my name is Jem and this is my channel Wheelsnoheels. It's dedicated to making videos all about my life with a disability, raising disability awareness and also building a community so we don't have to feel so alone and isolated the way that I did when I was growing up. So today I would just like to firstly say thank you so much for all of your support on my recent videos. They've been quite sort of intense, serious topics that I really wanted to push out there. But today I wanted to film something a little bit more light-hearted. It was actually inspired by my true cost of being disabled video. Which sort of speaks about how we have to spend more because of our disability and how our choices can be limited. So today what I wanted to do was phone around my local beauty salons in my local town and see how many of them are wheelchair accessible. The aim of this video is not to name and shame places. I don't think that's very fair. I'm just sort of raising awareness of how sometimes our choices are limited. Sometimes we have to pay more. And to be honest, I'm quite interested to see because in my mind, I can't really think of any of the salons that are accessible really. So it's going to be interesting because at the moment I'm paying way over the odds for a leg wax. So let's get into this and see how many of my local salons are wheelchair accessible. So what I'm going to ask for on the phone is I'm going to ask for half a leg wax and I'm going to ask how much it costs and then the $1,000,000 question, are you wheelchair accessible? And see what happens. So let's give it a go.
Hello?
Oh hi, is that the little...
Yes, it is, sorry, I didn't know if I got the call picked up in time or not.
Ah, you did. I was just wondering, do you offer half leg waxes?
Yes, we do.
And how much are they?
It's 15.
And also, are you wheelchair accessible?
Sort of. So, what do you need? Because we do have a bit of a lip in, but obviously buggies can get in, but do you mean that is the person able or?
I'm in a wheelchair.
Yeah.
So what, do you just have sort of like a 1 inch sort of lip sort of over the threshold?
I'd say.
Okay, and then are your...
Sorry, I'm just looking.
That's okay.
It's at least 4.
4 inches?
Yeah.
Okay.
And there's not a ramp or anything, it's quite a lip from the street.
Okay, and what about the room where the waxing takes place? Is that on the ground floor?
Yes, it's on the ground floor. Probably we have to make sure that it's in the back room where it's a bigger room.
Oh, okay.
We can move things around.
Okay, it sounds doable. I'm just trying to find some places that are accessible at the moment.
Yeah,
but
no
yeah,
worries.
Thanks for that. That's great.
Alright, okay then.
Thanks. Bye.
Cheers, bye.
Okay, so that one could potentially be accessible. I could get up a step that's about 4 inches, just about. But obviously I know that there are a lot of chairs out there that can't, like electric wheelchairs can't steps, so it might be tricky. So there we go. That one's £15. Let's ring the next one. Oh, this is exciting.
Good morning.
Oh, hi, morning. I was just wondering, do you offer half leg waxes?
Yeah, we do.
And how much are they?
So half leg, lower leg, £17.
Okay, that's lovely. And are you wheelchair accessible?
Unfortunately not. No, we have stairs going up.
Oh, okay, that's fine. Thank you anyway.
Sorry.
That's okay. Thanks.
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye. Bye.
Good afternoon, I don't see you. Good afternoon, good morning. Wish the day away.
Hi. Do you offer half leg waxes?
Our beautician, she hires the room downstairs, so I can give you her number.
Oh, perfect.
And then if you just text her a phone now.
It is, yeah.
Hi. I was just ringing to see if you do half leg waxes.
Oh, yeah, I do. Sorry, I'm just at home with the phone.
I caught you off guard. And how much is it?
Yeah, no, it's £15 for a half leg wax.
Okay. And is the place wheelchair accessible?
It wouldn't be, no.
Thanks ever so much for your help.
Thank you.
Thanks. Bye.
Hello.
I just tried to call the salon. They said to try your mobile. I was just wondering, do you offer half leg waxes?
Yes, we do. We do half leg waxes. Unfortunately, I'm working from home now.
Are you wheelchair accessible?
Yeah, I am actually. The treatment room is actually downstairs. It's a townhouse, and I've converted the garage, and there's a wet room downstairs, toilet as well. So it's all on the ground floor.
Oh, that sounds perfect. And how much do you charge?
Well, I haven't got my price off the top of my head.
Oh, okay, that's fine.
I can't remember, but you know, it is competitive to other salons, if not slightly cheaper.
Okay, that's lovely. Thank you very much. That is good. And she said she was competitive, so let's just assume she's around £15 because that's what everybody else has been saying.
Good morning, clinic.
Oh, hi, good morning. Do you offer half leg waxes?
We do.
Okay, and how much are they?
Lower leg 15.
Okay, and are you wheelchair accessible?
For certain treatments, but probably not. We are for manicures. We can get a wheelchair into the reception area, but we can't get a wheelchair into the treatment room. So we can only do manicure and nail treatments, I'm afraid.
Okay, that's fine. Thank you anyway. She did suggest somewhere else, which I've previously phoned, which we have found out is accessible.
Good morning, speaking.
Oh, hi there. I was just wondering, do you offer half leg waxes?
Yes, we do.
And how much are they?
It's £15 for a half leg wax.
Okay, and are you wheelchair accessible?
Yes, we are. We have two entrances. So the one that's on the ground floor is actually coming from the road. So do you know where are you a local girl?
Yes.
Right, so do you know where the restaurant is?
Oh, yes.
Yeah, if you come along there, there's an original front door and then we have another door that comes in.
Okay, and is there a step up into the property, or
No,
is it?
there isn't.
Okay, that's perfect. And what about the treatment room itself? Is that?
The treatment rooms as well, they should actually be able to get through the door quite easily to call us.
That's lovely. Thanks ever so much.
Thanks for your time.
Bye. Well, pleasantly surprised. There are more than I thought. So they were accessible, and she was very, very friendly and very, very helpful. I guess the proof of the pudding would be in actually going down there as well and testing it out. But she sounded very confident as well, and it's quite nice when someone sounds confident in what they're saying. Yeah, so she, you know, and I guess, you know, I know myself that my chair is very slim, so I'm pretty sure I'd be able to fit through, but she was very happy to measure the doorway, so that's good. Oh, hi, morning. Do you offer half leg waxes? What, is it just a hair salon at the moment?
No, we do beauty waxing as well. We just haven't got the facilities. We don't have a private room here, so we haven't got the facilities to do sort of leg waxing and that type of thing. But we do brow waxing and things like that.
Oh, okay. And how much do you charge for a brow wax?
So just for a wax, it's £8.
£8. And are you wheelchair accessible?
Not terribly, if I'm honest.
Okay.
You can come around in the back entrance, but there's often cars out there. That's the only problem that we have.
Okay, so it might be a bit tricky.
We have got a step outside the front.
But that one is a no. Oh, I think I might have rung the wrong number. Oops.
Good morning, can I help you?
Oh, hi, morning. Do you offer half leg waxes?
Yes.
And how much are they?
Half leg is £14.
And is your salon wheelchair accessible?
Technically, it's got a small step in.
Right.
So it's only a very small step. And once you're in, it's all flat. And there would be room. So I don't think there'd be a problem. We have our other people coming in wheelchairs.
Okay, that's helpful to know. And the treatment room is on the ground floor as well?
Yes.
Okay.
It's all on the ground floor.
Okay,
and
that's...
the toilet is as well.
And is that wheelchair accessible?
Yes. It is a bit of a tight squeeze, but yes, you can just about get through.
Okay, that's great. Thank you ever so much for your help.
Okay,
Thank
thank you very
you.
much.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Don't know if I trust the toilet in the last salon. I think I would have to make sure I had gone before I had gone to the salon, because it didn't sound like if it was a tight squeeze, and I wouldn't trust that there were the appropriate grab rails that we may need. So that's something to bear in mind, but obviously we know what we can and can't do. So there you have it. Out of the 9 salons that I rang, 4 were wheelchair accessible. But do we 100% trust them? I think the proof of the pudding would be going down there and trying them out. I do know of some of those salons and the parking is not great. And yes, they might be accessible, but sometimes places are very small and pokey, and like moving around can be hard. So that's something to bear in mind. But it is nice to know that there are places out there that are accessible. And in fact, the cheapest one was wheelchair accessible, which is nice to know. The people were very friendly and helpful as well, so that's good. So it just goes to show you that, you know, still we are limited, which is a shame, but there are options out there. Just sitting here editing this though, it just made me realise that no one could actually just say, yes, we're wheelchair accessible without even thinking. Also, no one was able to offer a ramp either, which I thought was quite interesting. So I hope you enjoyed this kind of new format of video. Let me know what you think. Also, if you have any video suggestions, then be sure to drop them down below, or tweet me or Instagram me and let me know, and send in your requests. Brenda's come to say hello. Hi. So yeah, why don't you give us a thumbs up? Subscribe if you haven't already. Oh, so did you squeak or was that the floor? Holy mackerel, it was her squeaking. Whoa. Subscribe, thumbs up, and I hope to see you in my next one. Thank you for watching.